What is the hardest Agile value to live and breathe in a large organization, and why? Do you know what? I think the size of the organization is redundant. The hardest Agile value or aspect, so I'm going to play with this a bit. The value is openness, the aspect is transparency. The opportunity to be balls out honest with people comes by rarely. Building up that sense of openness and trust to be truly frank and display radical candor when we're talking about work is absolutely critical to enable us to inspect and adapt. Without this radical candor, without the factual, objective nature of what is going on, I'm having a problem with X, I'm confused about Y, I'm not sure what's going on with Z, I have a problem with this person, I don't understand why that person hasn't finished that task. That stuff happens in all organizations of every size. In large organizations, it becomes layered. And those multi-layers of super large organizations, our global Zaibatsus, these multinational companies where we're dealing with language complexities, people are translating. I've worked with people who can speak 6 languages. I'm flat out mastering English, and these people are translating, 4 different languages on the fly in one meeting. And it's like, wow. You layer it up and it increases the challenges of being open, objective, and honest in our business conversations. This underlying tension about how much we can say, how much we can't, often prevents us solving problems. How many times has somebody come to you and said, I've got a problem with this, and you're like, oh, well, that's easy to solve? Or how many times have you shared something with someone and they've helped you find a way through it? Sharing, openness unlocks solving a problem. It's the way we work. It's the way our brains work. We're tribal animals. Because when we were back on the Great Plains, working together helped stop the big animal coming and eating us. Solving complex problems we do far more accurately as a group. When we get 3 or more of us together, the chances of us finding the correct answer quickly increases exponentially. So building that sense of candor, trust, and openness with each other, with our organizational structure, and creating a culture of feedback and learning can only happen when we have the value of openness and the attribute of transparency.